Hello guys, and I'm on top of a truck right now, and it's moving right now. It's scary. Why am I standing up?
By the way, I'm here.
Yeah, my brother's hanging on the back. Whoa, shoot, that's scary. Oh my god. Oh my guys, please subscribe. So I'll actually be sending this to YouTube. Guys, don't worry.
Ow, I just broke my foot.
Okay, he's gonna be okay. He's gonna be okay. We don't want to break him his leg. You guys, this is my face. It looked pretty ugly, but it's just a face review for me. Because I never did a face review. Whoa, view. Oh, he's still alive.
Jump! Jump!
Okay. I hate jumping when I have I don't like jumping when I have cameras. But it was for you guys. Okay, goodbye. Bye. Goodbye.